Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun box card. It folds flat for mailing, and there's a card that opens up to a box, and I used the Hallows Night Magic bundle from the Magic in the Night suite. So I'm going to be showing you how to put one of these together. All right, let me put that aside. So here's the template that I used to put this together. So I'll just move this up a little bit so you can take a picture of this or write this down. It's basically a half sheet of cardstock. So it's 4 1/4 by 11, and I scored it in half lengthwise at 2 1/8. And then I scored it at 2 inches, 5 1/4, 7 1/4, and 10 1/2. Then I've cut on the score lines up to the 2 1/8 mark, and then I've completely cut this piece away right here. And then I have this little piece right here that's 2 5 1/4, and I've scored it at 1 inch and 4 1/4. So that's your template that you're going to need. All right, so I always make a template of boxes and different 3D items, and I keep them in a folder, so I recommend you do that too. It's a very helpful thing to do if you want to make the card again. So here's my box, and like I said, it folds flat for mailing. You can flip it over to the other side, and you can like write a message right here. So I'm going to start with a piece of 4 1/4 by 11 cardstock, and I've cut away this bottom piece right here, and I've cut along all of the score lines up to the 2 1/8 line here. And so I'm going to fold on all of these score lines right here, and this one right here, but I'm not going to fold on this score line yet. I'm going to put this together first. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on this 1/2 inch tab right here with the Stampin' Seal Plus. Just cue it up here. And I'm going to put this together flat. It's a lot harder to put it together in the air. You're trying to mess with it this way. It's much easier to lay it down flat on the ground, and if you've scored correctly, you just go like that, and voila, you put it together just like that. Done. So now I'm going to bring this up and fold this over and fold this over, and I'm going to keep the back straight. I'm not going to fold that because that's going to be my back. So that's the whole mechanics of the box. That's it. See, folds flat. So now all you have to do is decorate it. So I've got everything that I need to decorate it. So I'm going to start off with this fun webbed piece of Designer Series paper. I'm just going to measure here because it looks like it's a wee bit long. No, it looks like it's okay. So I'm going to use the regular Stampin' Seal for this. And a good trick here again is to lay it flat to adhere it. And then I've got some of my bat paper for the back here. So I'm going to adhere that in the back. This paper is so cool. I love all the designs on it. It's really, really fun paper. Okay, so a couple things. This is the middle piece that goes inside. And I'm gonna fold one way and then the other way. And then I'm gonna put some strong adhesive on one side. And then I'm going to put strong adhesive on the other side. I'm going to open this back up and I am going to stick it down in here. And I'm going to want this to line up with the top here. And I want the edge to be lined up here. And same thing over on this side. And I want it to lie flat again. So I'm gonna make that lie flat. So we've got our middle piece in there. And then we're going to add some pieces to our middle piece. So this piece right here is our little hill. And I got the hill from the Home Together dies. That's part of the Coming Home bundle. And I've also stamped and cut out this little home in gray, 2 of them, that I'm gonna add to the hill here. It's my spooky home. So I'm just gonna put some adhesive across the bottom of the hill. And I'm just gonna put this hill somewhere in the front here. Across the front. And then I'm gonna put some dimensionals. I think I'm gonna use my black dimensionals. Finally, as an excuse to use my black dimensionals. So I'm gonna put the dimensionals towards the bottom. Because I want the houses to be up a little bit higher probably. So there's a house, and got my spooky tree here that I also cut out of the Home Together dies right here. And then this is the house that I used to cut out the homes. And I'm gonna use a glue dot for the tree. A glue dot I think is gonna hold the tree the best. So let's do a glue dot right here for the tree. And then we'll do the home, like tuck it underneath here. Okay. So here's our spooky homes. And then I've already stamped, there's magic in this night with Blackberry Bliss. And this was cut out with the Painted Labels dies. And so I'm just going to add some dimensionals and add this to the back of the card. Probably up a little bit so we can see it like that. Then I've got this spider web here that I've cut out of the black glitter paper. And I'm going to put a black dimensional on that. And I'm going to put that in the corner of my piece right here. And I've already stamped and embossed, that's what I was looking for, my little spider right here in silver. And I'm going to add him to the spider web right here like this. I've got my spider there. And now I'm gonna add some bats to the front. So you can see the bats here. I need to tack that down probably. So So we're going to do some bats, and I'm going to fold their wings a little bit. Fold their wings up. So I'm going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. And let's go ahead and use another black dimensional. And then this one, up, down, up, down, up. It's just a fun little thing that one of my downline did, and I really like it. I like how it makes the bat's wings look. So I'm gonna just kind of place this bat right here, put this bat over here. Okay, and then now on the back, we have this little greeting here. So we're gonna put ours on the back too. So I've got a couple of bats, and I've stamped Happy Halloween. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on this. And just layer it on the gray, basic gray, and then layer it again. Gotta cue this one up too. That one's like the same size. Well, we're gonna go with it. Okay, and then we're gonna do glue dots for these bats. So we'll stick a glue dot here. And I don't know what happened to my third bat, but I'll add the third bat later. It's gonna join the crew later. And there we go. We have our box in a card. So I'm offering a Halloween class using this bundle in this suite of products, and it includes this box in a card as well as this cute treat basket and this box. So if you place a $30 order on my website, elainescreations.net, using this October hostess code, you'll get this kit for free. And just email me, Elaine at elainescreations.net, and let me know that you would like this Halloween kit for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to check out all my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.